If you want to perform a hard reset because you forgot your password, PIN, or pattern, well, the only way to do that, as already said, is a hard reset. So what we would need our USB-C cable, USB-C to USB cable. Now let's grab our phone and plug in our cable right to our charging port. Make sure to plug in the second part away to your laptop. Now locate your power button, volume down button, and volume up buttons. Locating them, great, let's start. So first of all, let's turn off our phone, hold your volume down button and your power button simultaneously. Keep on holding them until your screen will go black. Now change your finger to your volume up button. However, keep on holding your power button. So hold those two buttons simultaneously. Great, now we are in our recovery menu. You can navigate through it using your volume down and volume up buttons, and in order to make a choice, you are to press your power button. So locate your wipe data / factory reset, power button, factory data reset, power button, and now simply press reboot system now. And basically that's it. Now your phone will be new from scratch. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.